There's something very special about a group of people who are brought together not to make money for a living, but by a shared passion for engineering and to try and build something truly world-class. You really do pour everything you have into these cars for months on end.
Coming into college, if you, for example, told me, hey, go design a battery pack, I'd have no idea where to start. Hey, go design a solar car, I'd also have no idea where to start.
Good.
But I learned a lot about how to approach real-world engineering problems.
You need to have a lot of people work together exceptionally well to make a car that's going to get across a desert, like one does in the World Solar Challenge.
Jake, are you ready?
We knew it was going to be hard. It's never going to be what you expect. No matter where you finish, no matter who you are, there's always going to be something unexpected that pops up.
Yeah, so it looks like we had some electrical issues. The car turned off and we tried to switch between our coils. So we're kind of looking to see if maybe there is some kind of short in the circuitry. Doing a lot of checks right now, considering all the different options for how to continue.
So the hot lap for us was definitely really disappointing, especially as an electrical team. Getting out there, doing a bunch of testing the day before, really put us in a position where we were super excited to see where Ethan would be able to place. And so when halfway around the track, he radioed back, the car's not turning on, we were like, oh no.
As soon as he started slowing down, around maybe turn 7 or 8, I knew that something was wrong, and I knew that either we wouldn't get as good of a time as we wanted, or we wouldn't finish. And unfortunately, we didn't finish.
We sort of limped the car in, we took it into the garage, started inspecting everything, and realized we'd blown a fuse. So that really, I think, put us in a really, really bad spot to start off the race. Like, you never want to be last.
I think after the hot lap, the team sort of came together. We all knew that the car was very capable. We all knew that the first day would be pretty chaotic.
Hey Baker, no matter what, kick some ass, dude. See no deal.
I don't know.
You passed 10 cruiser cars?
My tally was 23
Total cars?
total cars.
It was already queued up at the stop.
These are students that have experiences that are similar to the experiences that, a new career engineer would have in terms of a distributed team. They own a small part of a much larger project. Our philosophy at the University of Michigan is to make these organizations as independent as possible. So we provide them with support and other things that come with the university's identity and our sponsorship of a lot of these organizations. But beyond that, the students are free to manage the organization as they like.
Ready to drive another 350 kilometers in a solar car.
It's an opportunity to experience industry before industry. There's a budget, there's a number of people, there's an organizational structure. There is no ideal solution. It's not just a problem sitting on a board that only has one answer. You could do the best thing, you could do the cheapest thing, you could do the most robust thing. And so figuring out the optimization of those problems, and then how do you work with the rest of the team and then commit money that you've raised, as well as talk to sponsors that have given you money. It's kind of like a mini startup incubator.
But the most important quality is the resilience that students build as part of these teams, because they do have setbacks. It's all about them being able to sit down and collect their thoughts and just, let's take what you learned in the curriculum, let's analyze the problem. That's very important because giving up is not an option here, right?
I'd say time on project teams is pretty much equivalent to time in industry. So if I see a student who has 3 or 4 years of project experience, I consider that 2 to 3 years of industry experience. That lets me know that they know how to work together, they know how to achieve on deadline, and they know how to kind of recover if something goes awry.
I don't think there was ever a point where I thought that we were out of it.
Yeah, I hear it knocking.
I knew that we had a good car. I knew the car was capable of making many, many passes, but
Jason Blue are ready for a pass whenever traffic is clear.
I think when we passed Solonenwagen, that was the moment in which I realized that we actually had a shot at the podium.
One step at a time, run our race, and like we're in it for the world championship, guys. Go Blue on 3! 1, 2, 3, go Blue!
I think our spirits were all higher than they've ever been as a team, and I think that felt really good, where we knew that even if we didn't make podium, that we had really shown that we deserved to be here, despite starting in last, and we were all really proud of what we were able to do as a team with our car.
Well, I'm incredibly excited to be here. It's the end of a very long journey, and it's just been full of triumphs and setbacks and growth, and honestly, I couldn't be happier. Everyone's spirits are super high. We gave it our all. We didn't bring home first place, but I don't think any of us regret anything from the race. So,
in our over 30-year history, technically as a team, we have yet to succeed at being the best. But regardless of that, I think the process of attempting to get there teaches you so much about yourself and about sort of what it means to be an engineer in that context that you can really take forward into the rest of your life and use it to improve everything you do.
I've found where my limits are. I've grown so much as a person, so much as an engineer. I think it's truly invaluable, and I'm so thankful that I did this, and so thankful that I kept pushing.
That really, at the end of the day, is what it's all about, right? We're not about cars and planes and boats and trains here. We're about the students and the experiences they have and what they take away from that.
You think you're making a product that is the car, except at the end of the day, you're truly making a group of engineers and a group of business professionals and team leaders who are able to execute on a project given a demand.
There are so many lessons here in how to do your job as an engineer, how to do your job as a teammate, how to do your job as a human being.
all right, you guys got this.
That I think you really can't teach in the classroom. To me, there's no question that solar car is the best thing I have ever done in my life, and I don't know if that will ever change.